If you have been practicing and learning English and still you do not feel enough confident to speak in English, then I think this video is for you. In this video, I'm not going to teach you something new, but definitely you will realize after this video that how can you do the same thing in a different way, okay, to see the result. Hello friends, Jai Shri Krishna. My name is Manish and welcome to my YouTube channel Feel Better. You are watching this video, that means you are willing to become a fluent English speaker. So it's great to have you all on this YouTube channel. As I said in this video, I will tell you something what you are doing but in a wrong way. Okay, so same thing you have to do but in a different way so that you can see the result very soon. So as we know, the four skills normally which is very required to learn any new language, these four skills are reading, writing, listening and speaking. What I have noticed, most of us, they normally do more practice on reading, writing and listening, and they spend minimum time on speaking actually. This is the wrong practice, I would say. Initially, you spend equal time on all these four skills, that is fine, no problem at all. But once you feel little confident of speaking at least few sentences without help of anyone, okay, then I would say 50% of your time you spend on speaking. This is the blunder mistake normally all of us are committing while this journey of learning English language, and that is the main reason it takes really long to become fluent in English language, right? Let me tell you why why speaking is really more important rather than other three skills, as I said. In today's world, writing is very easy. You have to suppose write draft email, so you can have free support, right? You can take help of free supports available. You can you can check your grammar, you can select synonyms which is really more effective, okay? So you can take as much as long time to finish your draft, okay? And it will sound even great because you have taken help of free tools. Listening is very easy. You just practice listening. I don't know what is the purpose. I mean, you can spend minimum time on listening, I would say. Yeah, so reading is important to know to expand your vocabulary, to learn new words, and the same words you can practice in your speaking as well. So that way reading is very important. But ultimately, why speaking is more important than other skills? The reason is it is speaking only where you need more practice actually. If you, whatever the reason you have behind learning this language, so because other skills are not that much difficult, you have some tools that helps you as and when required. But speaking is something you cannot expect any support or any help from anyone. You have to speak words immediately on the spot, and you cannot take even much time. It is speaking only that's creates your image stronger. it is speaking only that helps you to grow professionally. If you are an employee of a private organization, whatever, private or government, but if you are an employee and you are seeking promotion to next level, next position, and the next position is something you need to interact with people from different regions or different countries, okay, where the people may not know your native language and you have to speak in English only. That time you cannot perform better until and unless you have a good command over the English language. So whatever tools you have been using till now, it's fine. There is nothing wrong with that, but you have to spend maximum time on learning speaking skill. Yeah, that is the only I wanted to tell you. And how can you perform better in speaking? There are 2 or 3 tools I would suggest to improve your speaking skills. These are, first of all, you can speak in front of mirror. That is the best way to start with. Then another option is you find friends who normally speak in English only. Try to make friends who are non-Gujarati or South Indian or from the other region where the English is their main language. And the third tool I would suggest is watching Hindi movies. Yeah, you heard me correctly. You start watching Hindi movies with English subtitles. Okay. So whatever dialogue is spoken in the movie, you can just write down on your notepad in English. Then you just compare what you have written with the subtitle given in the movie. That way you can not even improve your grammar, but you can learn more vocabulary as well. So this is what I wanted to tell you. And if you are enough sincere, okay, then you please don't waste even a single day. From today only, you just make a schedule. Okay, but maximum time you have to spend on speaking only. You can choose any subject, any simple subject, just like you just pick word to write essay on it. Say for example, corruption, say the impact of Hollywood movies on the youngsters mindset. Okay, you can pick any subject like why English is so important nowadays, right? How to make YouTube videos. So just as simple as this, you can pick any subject and you can write down first and then you practice speaking the same thing, or you can directly go for practice the speaking in front of mirror, whatever way you like. But what I wanted to tell you is practice more on speaking and you will see the drastic result very soon. So normally I prepare videos on the topics like challenges we have in our day-to-day life. So don't miss any video on this channel, and for that you please subscribe this. Thank you.